pieces and parts. I didn't take the basket apart just because it was kind of a pain. I'll take it apart for a full video. But here's the nut on the bottom. You can see I drilled a hole. And then on the inside of the basket, you can see on the bottom, down there, that's threaded through. So that's got a 1/2" pipe thread inside of it. Then, so we have the other pieces. This is the tube. This is the, I believe, 8" 1/2" stainless tubing. Here's that little gasket I was talking about. Looks like I need to clean this guy, but it's I made this piece of tubing. I just sliced and slid over that. And then you have the outer tube. You can see where I milled the slots in there for the clip. So the way this works, see if I can do this with one hand. So normally the way I do it is I will slide this tube inside there, and you can see how that piece kind of seals in between there, just enough. I mean, the pipe's not super tight, you can see on there. So I have that gap in there just enough to keep grains in and out. So the way this guy works, then you have the clips on there. Take this retaining pin, retaining pin slides over, so you can see it keeps it solid, so you can, as you slide it, now it'll hold in position. So what you can do now, so this guy just threads in. So now you don't have to be super tight, but once it's threaded in, you can see this slides all the way down. Just give you an idea how far down that goes. So I'd say that's probably about 9 inches from the bottom. So that you should be able to do small batches in there. You can even take the outer pipe off and just use just the inner pipe. So that makes it right about 8 inches from the bottom. But then if you want bigger batches, you can slide this guy up as high as you want. That's about the top there, but you can see, I mean, that's pretty close to the top of the mash pipe. So that way you can do as much grain as you can fit in there. And then this is the basket I was talking about. You can see it's just a stainless steel mesh colander. I cut a hole in the bottom of that guy. And it's hard doing this with one hand, but it fits right over the top of the pipe. This is down pretty far. This thing's about 9 inches tall with the handles, those handles I was talking about. But you can see, I mean, that's probably, I would say that's about the size of your average mash right there. So the water's gonna, I'll probably just use a hose, and when I return, just dump the hose into here. I might make a little ring, a little sparge ring in there that'll dump the water evenly, but that'll keep all the mash, keep all the grain from coming back up and getting sucked down in the pipe. So that's it.